In today's video, we're going to talk about Christmas crafts for kids. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky, and I am a homeschooling mom of 2, and I have been homeschooling since 2012. If you are new to our channel, welcome. We are so glad you are here. Please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. Here on this channel, we talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and everything in between. And we also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. There, I give you tips and tricks and things that I have learned through my years of homeschooling. Make sure to check that out and also to sign up for our email list because I always send out some awesome deals that I get from a lot of my affiliates. And I also let you know every time we upload a new blog post. So make sure to check that out. And if you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. Today's video is in a collaboration with Valerie over at Our Homeschool Castle. She has a great channel, so make sure to check that out. I will leave a link to her channel as well as the playlist down in the description box. Today's video, we are going to be talking about Christmas crafts for kids. Try saying that one fast. It does not happen. I cannot do it, so I had to slow it down because there were so many takes that I just stumbled through it. So, Christmas crafts for kids. Try saying that one. It's a tongue twister. All right, so in today's video, I'm going to show you some fun crafts that I do with my children every year. So I know that we're always looking for fun, different ideas, and I've got some that we love. The first one that we're going to talk about is making your own Christmas wreath. Now, you don't have to go spend a ton of money to do this. What I did is I took an old swimming pool noodle, and however big you want it, you can cut it and then just wrap it around and tape it. And then I took garland and that I got at Dollar Tree and just wrapped it around the pool noodle and then glued it so you couldn't see it. And then I had these cute little church Christmas ornaments that we didn't use anymore, and then I just put them on top of that. So how easy was that? The kids had fun doing it. Just make sure if you're using hot glue guns that the kids don't get hurt with them. But, you know, it's fun to make. It's fun for them to get in there and make their own. So if you have extra pool noodles, let them design their own. But that was one that we did. One of our other favorites is making salt dough ornaments. Now, I try to do those and we make them for the family and give them away as gifts. So the kids get to help make the salt dough recipe. If you've never seen that, I'll leave that recipe down in the description box as well. But we always make those. The kids get to paint them, decorate them, and then we give them away to grandparents and friends and family as little Christmas happies ornaments. I write their names and the date or the year on the back. So that way they can look back at it in years and go, oh, you know, this was made for me. So that is what another craft is. It's super fun and super easy. Another fun craft that we do is making a gingerbread house. Every year we make and decorate. Well, we don't make the gingerbread house. We decorate the gingerbread house. I know some people have time and fun and want to make the gingerbread, but no, not happening here. I buy the kits, and I have also bought the gingerbread cookies. And we decorate them for fun as well. So there's another fun craft that you can do and then let your kids eat it. Another fun craft it's not really a craft, but it's still fun that we do at Christmas, is we make and decorate Christmas cookies, and we give them to our neighbors. Like, we've got some elderly neighbors in our neighborhood, and so the kids always think it's fun that we decorate cookies, we put them in a Ziploc, and then we put a Christmas card on them, and we take them to them, and they just light up. They love seeing the kids, giving to their elders. So that's just something fun that we get to do. With COVID this year, we're not doing that, but I wanted to include that because it is something that we've done in the past, and this is what it looks like. Making crosses out of popsicle sticks, that's an easy, fun one. You give your kids popsicle sticks, you let them color them, decorate them however they want to. You make it into a cross, you glue it together, you put a ribbon on it, and there you go. There's a cute little Christmas ornament that they've made that they can put on the Christmas tree, and they can feel like they've done something. I know my kids love doing it. I've done it at church with the kids for years. And so it's just a fun, easy craft if you're looking for something like that. The little stockings that you see here in this picture, I bought those at Dollar Tree. And they're just little cutouts that you just put cotton balls on the top. You let them decorate it however they want to. You can see I wrote names on these. They've glued cotton balls to them and a hot glue on the back, a little ribbon so we can hang them on the tree, and those are fun. And these candy canes, I just cut them out of construction paper. We had color balls around the house, and they just glued those on there with Elmer's glue. And there again, I just stuck a ribbon on the back, and it was just a fun craft that we got to do. And I flipped the camera around so I could show you these, but I know everybody does a fun countdown to Christmas, so the kids have colored these, and what we're going to do is every day we will glue a cotton ball on that to count it down till Christmas. My printer cut off a little bit at the bottom, but that's okay. And then I wanted to share with you this. Now, you know from watching my channel in the past, or if you're new, I am a huge My Father's World curriculum person. I share all of My Father's World curriculums with you that we use, and this came with Becca's kindergarten My Father's World curriculum, and we didn't use it last year, but I'm using it this year, and I wanted to show it to you. So pretty much this is just the countdown to Christmas, where you glue these together or tape them together, and then you cut these out and they match up the numbers on here. So you cut these out, and then there's one, and it goes down here, and you go all the way counting down till Christmas until you get to the star, which is right here, number 25, and then you put it on top. So I will include some pictures at the end so you can see what they look like once we've started using these. And this comes with the My Father's World kindergarten curriculum. So it comes with, Christmas cards that your kids can give to loved ones. See, it says Christmas Day 1 Christmas cards. And here's some more Christmas cards. I just love the beautiful bright colors that are in there. And then they give you songs to sing, like Merry Christmas, Joy to the World. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all those colors. Away in a Manger, Silent Night, Angels We Have Heard on High, Go Tell It on the Mountain, Oh Come All Ye Faithful. And you can look up all these songs on YouTube if you want to and sing them along with your kids. And then here we go, a happy birthday to Jesus. That is the reason for the season, so we've got to remember that Jesus' birthday is why we celebrate Christmas. And then it starts over again. They give you 2 sets of the songs, the pictures, and everything. So in case you have more than one child, which is perfect for me because Bailey and Becca both have their own. And there is like an ornament outline you cut here. There's 2 of them, 1 for each child. And then they give you paper. And I'm guessing that this is for Christmas lists. It doesn't really say what it's for. It just says Christmas Day 7. So I wanted to show you that. I love it. It is awesome. And that is some awesome crafts and fun things that you can do with your children if you use the My Father's World kindergarten curriculum. I hope you have enjoyed these crafts. Make sure to check out the playlist as well as Valerie's channel that are going to be in the description box, because I know there are going to be some awesome mamas showing you all kinds of Christmas crafts for kids. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.